Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit, Making Sense of Making Money Online. Hey, I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. Welcome. Today's going to be like a short video. This is about disputing online. Despite of what all the experts say, you can dispute online effectively and get stuff off your credit. I got eons and eons of proof to show you. No sense of going into that, but I probably deleted more than 10,000 items off different clients' stuff over the years, if not more than that, probably 100,000 items. But there's a technique that you need to use. You guys have been clamoring as far as you guys wanted me to put something together. So I did put something together for you that you can purchase. But before I dive into it today, let me just share this with you. I got all three of them online, Transunion, Equifax, and Experian. And look, you can do this yourself. And I know I've had enough videos out there for you, but so this thing I produced for you guys who wanted me to put something else out there for you, like a step-by-step type of thing. I did that, and you guys can purchase that out. The link will be below. Also, before I finish, please subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. Smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Make a comment if you like, and most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. But look, here's the website. This is all for free. You can dispute online with Experian. Go there, click on Start a New Dispute. Equifax, submit a dispute. Transunion, start dispute. So guys, you guys can do this yourself. If you want my secret sauce that I used, I have that for you. Click the link. You can purchase that. Then also I have another little special offer for you too to get if you want to work directly with me. So, but I want to make sure you guys know that. Hey, look, during this coronavirus thing, I wanted to kind of give you guys a few other things about making money. Look, the easiest things that you can use right now to make money right away is use Fiverr. Use as a freelance. Whatever your expertise is, go on there, sign up, and you can get money. Put up to, I think it's 4, 5, 6, 7 gigs on there, and you can have money. If you start making money, it takes about 2 weeks to get paid from that. Hopefully you'll be getting your unemployment and maybe the stimulus check, but you can do that. Also, ClickFunnels, if you guys have some trade, you can develop a digital asset, and you like to work with me one-on-one. I do charge for that, but because it's a lot of work, but I will show you how to set up a digital product and start to make money today with a digital product. And just check out my my top 10 things that I use to make money online and work from home. You guys can use those. So look, this is a short video. I just wanted to bring this to you. You guys been really after me. I've been email after email. I must get 5 or 10 emails a day about me doing something, expanding on my disputing online. So here it is. Check it out and pick it up. So look, until next time, you guys be safe. Please stay 6 feet back away. Protect yourself, you and your family. I'm sorry I'm losing my voice. Until next time, Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit. Peace, y'all. Be safe.